Tina, Tony, Tina, Tony are the best of friends. Tina, Tony, fun that never ends. No matter what the weather, we sing out loud together. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home. Tina, Tony, just like salt and pepper. Tina, Tony, have their fun whenever. No matter what the weather, we sing out loud together. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home now. Tina, Tony.
Packing the essentials. Packing is an art form. It's all about bringing only what we need. Nothing useless.
Of course, so it's absolutely necessary to take balloons.
I was thinking something more like this pail, so we can collect mushrooms.
What if we find blueberries?
That's a good point. I'll bring a second bucket.
Oh, I can't wait to go. We'll pick berries and mushrooms, and we'll have a feast. But all of that, won't all that wear us out? We should also pack the bed.
How are we going to take that with us,
Yeah.
Tina?
Well, it's on wheels. Yay!
You okay?
And the boat as well. Of course we'll need that.
What?
That should be everything. Ready?
Don't you think we're bringing too much stuff?
I'm sure it will all come in handy. Ugh. It's time to go. Guess we'll have to push it down. La 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 la.
Please remind me why it was necessary to bring the bed with us.
It's so we can take a nap when we get tired.
I'm tired now. Phew.
Already? We haven't even started mushroom hunting yet.
Have a seat, please. Chop, chop now. What do I do now? That's my last good chair. Huh? Tina! Tony! Come here a second. Thank you both so kindly.
There. This goes here. That can't be that heavy, can it? Ooh, I know. Here. Does that help?
I guess it's a little lighter.
How's it going, Fox? Catching fish?
There aren't any fish by the shore. If only I had some kind of... a boat! Thank you so much! Now I can catch lots!
These balloons are just annoying. I don't think we need them at all.
You never know when you'll need them. Plus, they look super pretty. Oh, it's the rabbits. Hi, you guys.
Hi, Tina and Tony.
What's going on?
Felicia's birthday.
Ooh, super fun. Why is everyone crying?
Well, Felicia got a balloon because it's her birthday. But now everyone else wants one, too.
Let's see.
One cabbage cake coming right up.
Blow the candles! Blow the candles! Blow the candles!
See? I was right. It all came in handy at some point. Not like your buckets. That we didn't even use.
Right there.
Huh? What's there?
A mushroom. That'll be our first one. Another one.
It's blueberries! Well, I have to admit, your buckets came in handy after all.
We really are good at packing for trips, aren't we?
A trip around the world.
We're right here. Let's go this way and come back, because the Earth is round.
Hooray! A trip around the world! Let's go! Adventure awaits!
How long will it take us to walk it?
A year or 10.
10?
We'll leave at dawn.
Dawn? So soon? But I can't. I need time to prepare. My backpack is broken too.
No problem. Take my suitcase. Tina's in.
Tony too.
What's in there, Tony?
Everything we need, Tina. A blanket, a thermos.
We don't need all that. We need to adapt to the natural environment.
Wait, I'll get my hat. Huh? Uh-oh.
Here.
An empty suitcase is better than a full one. Let's find something to put in it. Hey, Tony, look! It's so beautiful! Wow! Look at this one! Look how many beautiful stones there are, Tony.
Except we can't eat them, Tina. There's a bun at home. A cinnamon bun.
A bun? Bear, what are we going to eat in faraway countries?
Whatever we can find.
The food was delicious, but it wasn't nutritious.
I'm so full. Oh, my tummy. Oh, I'll catch you up.
Hey, River!
Huh?
But there's no bridge.
Are we going back?
Let's keep going. Oh, I'll catch up with you.
Nothing can stop this elephant explorer!
Tina! Look out! I'm sorry, Tina. Your stones have sunk.
It's fine, Tony. We'll get some new ones.
Look out!
Huh?
Hold on!
Tony, it looks like Bear needs help. He's caught cold and eaten too many raspberries.
He definitely needs to see Mouse, Tina.
Huh?
It's great at home right now. Tea with raspberries and warmth.
Bear, maybe we can go back?
That's not sporting. Oh, let's get some sleep. When I'm asleep, I don't feel cold or hungry. This is so we don't get lost. Achoo! I see. We'll go that way.
Psst! I know how to save Bear.
Time to go. Ow! My tummy! Let's get going quickly. A river? You two stay there. A suitcase? Well, it's just like yours.
It might come in handy.
Bear, are you okay?
I'm cold.
Look, a scarf and a blanket. And here's a thermos. Who wants tea? Me!
Is this Cookie Village?
Yeah,
we're home already.
We went around the world so fast. A world record. Achoo! I'm going to
So our trip is over, Tony. But I'm glad we're back.
Me too, Tina.
Treasure hunters. No, I lost another game.
Aw, man. Not just that. You lost another piece.
Not to worry, I'll find it. Oh, hi, little sneaky piece. It's not like I want to lose each time, but at least I don't get lost under stuff.
I've never seen that tiny door before.
Huh? Neither have I. That's weird. Achoo! Whoa. What on earth is this? It's a map.
A key, too.
Do you think that Granny left us a treasure?
I think we should just put it back. Anyway, it's probably all dusty.
No way, Tony. Can't pass up a treasure. Wonder what kind of treasure it is. Maybe a magic wand?
I'm pretty sure wands aren't real.
Look, I see a rope bridge.
Would that rope bridge even hold us?
Only one way to find out.
Wait, we shouldn't cross that. You know what we should do instead? Go and play checkers.
Don't be scared. Hey, Tony, this thing is rocking. This was a bad idea.
Hang on, okay?
Why would I not hang on? Thanks, Tony. This isn't so bad.
We're okay. Let's go.
I'm getting kind of hungry now.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, what if the treasure is a magic picnic blanket? We'll just say abracadabra, and the tea and cookies will magically appear.
Why would we need that? A backpack works fine. And abracadabra, here's your tea.
Ah,
Here, donuts too.
Tony, it's you who has the magic.
X marks the spot, and this is the spot.
All right. Oh man, we forgot to bring a shovel. What will we do now? Wow, Tony, you plan for everything. I'll go and dig it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here.
Hooray! Treasure. I really hope it's a flying carpet. We'll hop right on and be home in a split second. What are those things?
Looks like money. Except it's weird. I don't think it'll buy us ice cream. I guess this treasure's useless, huh?
Not quite. I bet we can use these. Give you one guess how. Still would have liked a magic carpet.
I can't believe it. You won.
That's the first game I've ever won. Seems these things really are magical checker pieces.
I guess they are.
Thanks a lot, Granny. To find a mushroom.
Tina, it's raining really weird. Come look.
How can it be raining? It's sunny outside.
Dunno, but look, the rain makes the mushrooms so glad. They grow extra fast when it's rainy and sunny at the same time.
Hooray! We're gonna pick mushrooms today. Ooh, I bet I fill my basket first with the most beautiful mushrooms I can find. Wow, that's a lot. I didn't know picking mushrooms would be this hard. I thought I'd be super good at it.
Don't feel down. Remember, there's still one thing you do better than anyone.
What? Hey, it's this way. May I have your attention, please? Prepare for a wonderful surprise. What is it? I can't wait. Ta-da! That's Tony's world-famous mushroom pie. Eat, don't be shy. Grab a slice, everyone.
Even though you can't find mushrooms, you're the best at making everybody happy.
The compass. Gotcha.
Wow!
What happened? Ow.
Penguin is going to the South Pole for his granny's birthday. So we're getting together some things we'll need for the journey. Run, faster! Run, run, run!
The South Pole? I need to give Penguin something very important.
Huh? What? Where? I have some important things to give to Penguin, too. Hold this.
Tina, what's all that for?
Well, Penguin might want to listen to the radio with his granny, or make pancakes. What's he going to do with your little saucepan, though?
It's not a saucepan, it's a compass. A tool that keeps you from getting lost on journeys. It's just what Penguin needs. Let's go, leave all that.
Wait! Here we go. A scarf. A scarf will definitely come in handy for him. I know it in my heart.
Come on, Tina. Where's Penguin?
He left very quickly. His granny's birthday must be very soon.
He's gone? To the South Pole? Alone and without a compass? But he'll get lost!
Oh no! Penguin will never make it to his granny's.
I have to catch up with Penguin and give him the compass. Oh, no, this way.
I'm coming with you. Tony's in, Tina too.
See how useful a compass is, Tina? The arrows show you where north and south are, so we'll know which way Penguin went.
We'll know where he went even without a compass. This way first. There we go. Now this way.
Stop! The compass says it's that way.
Well, your compass is lying.
Precise instruments like this never lie.
Okay then. Tony and Tina are in it together.
It's pulling me! A magnetic rock face! Wow! That's what threw the compass off.
Precise instruments never lie. They just make mistakes. Look, Penguin's balloon. Something happened to Penguin.
Why would you think that? He just lost one of his balloons.
I know it in my heart. Come on. Here's another one.
And another one there.
Penguin, we're here. We came to save you. In fact, we're already saving you. But how?
Tina, your scarf.
Here.
There you go. With the compass, you'll find your way to the South Pole. No problem. Wow, he's going dead south.
He will find a way to his granny's, all right. He knows it in his heart. Oops, it looks like we lost the way home.
What does your heart tell you?
My heart tells me, use a compass.
Great advice. Hooray for following your heart and for precise instruments.
South. Which way is north and which is south? Two paths.
Wow! Where are you going?
To the river.
To watch the clouds.
Wowee! I'll come with you. Pum, para, 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 pum, para, pum. Pum, para, 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 pum, para, pum. Pum, para, 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 pum, para,
Tony?
pum.
Tina? Which path leads us to the river then?
This one.
And which one is better?
This one is better. Mine is better because it's shorter.
Mine is more interesting. So which should we take? Both.
Exactly, Tina. That's the only way we'll know which path is better. See you at the river.
Pum, para, 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 pum, para, pum. Pum, para, 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 pum, para, pum.
Ah, what a wonderful meadow. Berries! Yummy! Ah, such a shame that Tony isn't here. He likes berries too.
Here we are.
We're first, which means our path is better.
I wonder, how far is Tina?
Friends, we need to go! Goodbye, old tree. Clouds await me. Wow! Poetry! Tina, you are a poet.
That one's a ship sailing by.
That's a carrot. And that's a carrot. And another one. I'm hungry.
That cloud looks a bit like Tina.
Tony, look what I can do.
She's been gone a long time.
I see mushrooms. Oh! We're not picking these. We'll fly around them.
Tina!
Oh no! Tony is waiting for us. Pilots, for the river!
Should have taken a pillow with me. Where is Tina gone to?
Careful, landing! We made it!
Tina! We missed you so much!
Tony, we all got so tired. We ate berries and the echo tweet-tweet. So many things. Tired out. I don't know whose path is better, but I would take the short one back. Me too. Me too. Looks like your path is better, Tony.
I'm not sure. I'd like some berries too.
And the twit-twoo echo.
So we'll go back along your path. Looks like it's better, Tina.
Looks like all paths are good paths, Tony. Together is best.
Good night, Tina.
Good night, Tony.
The time machine.
Hi, Tony. What are you doing?
This is the invention the world has been dreaming of.
Awesome. But what's it for?
For time traveling. I'm gonna climb in and go way back in the past. Way back in the past.
Tony, maybe you should forget about it. I mean, what is there to do in the past? There's nothing wrong with being here.
Tina, what are you talking about? There's so much to do there. You can paint caves, make spears and necklaces, tell the time using the sun, dance ancient dances. All set. Goodbye, Tina. Onward. Backward into the past.
Tony, what about me?
Wait for me here. 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Tony, you're back already.
No, Tina, something went wrong. Oh no, it's broken.
That's good. You can stay here with us.
Tina, you don't understand it all.
Oh, I do, Tony. Tony! Your machine is working.
That's impossible. I tried everything.
Well, it worked for me. I went to the past. You won't believe what it's like. Come on. Tina's it.
Tony, too.
Safe travels, Tony. 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
See, Tina? I told you so. Ah! Tina? Piglets? What's going on?
Wow! I'm Tintina, the mammoth, and these are the saber-toothed piglets. Welcome to Stone Cookie Village.
I'm in the past, and my machine works?
Where are you off to, visitor from the future?
I want to find a prehistoric hippo.
Well, I'm a hippo.
Huh?
I'm just not very big yet. Exactly. Yeah. It was nice to meet you, Mr. Guest. Or you'd best be getting home.
I did really want to paint some caves. Now, what should I leave behind for the future?
What are you all doing?
Huh? I never thought I'd see a pterodactyl.
The sun is so high in the sky. You best be getting home, Mr. Guest from the future.
Yeah, but I did really want to learn how to make spears and beads.
Oh.
And prehistoric fishing and prehistoric singing? I want a cave of my own, too. All right, I'm staying in your time.
Tony, tell us about Cookie Village in the future. What's it like?
In the future, we have yummy ice cream, plus bicycles and pies. Also, science and computers, and friends. And, oh no, Tina's there. I've stayed here too long.
Goodbye, new friends.
Tina!
Tina, piglets! You won't believe what I've seen. Hey, so it was all pretend?
I'm sorry, Tony. You wanted it so bad. I was just trying to make you happy.
So you got up to all that? For me? Thanks, friends. That was awesome.
Hello? Can anybody tell me if I got the part? Stranded.
The waves got bigger and bigger as the storm rolled in. The wind blowed, thunder crashed, and the ship crashed. Tina's son Crusoe washed ashore on a deserted island in the middle of nowhere.
Come on, the piglets are going into the woods. Let's go with them.
Not yet. The story's not done. He wasn't alone on the island. He made a friend named Saturday. Because Saturday is the best day of the week for cartoons, of course. Tina and Saturday lived there for 100 years. Okay, maybe 20 or so. Eventually, the ship came and rescued Tennyson.
Wow, we should go on an adventure just like he did.
We're not near the ocean.
But we're near the woods. We'll pretend sail there. This whole place can be our ocean. Full steam ahead. Keep going. Oh, goodness. We ran upon shore. We're sinking. Goodbye.
We'll swim. Come on. Reef sharks!
Every mammal for themselves. I see land ahead.
We're safe.
We want to play with you. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, but we can't. We're trapped on this desert island.
Well, fine then. That sounds dumb. We'll find our own island, an even more deserted one.
Oh dear. The sharks are gone, but it looks like we're stuck on this island with no hope of rescue.
I'm getting hungry.
Then come. We need to forage.
Hey, raspberries! Huh?
Morning, Tina. Want some berries?
Yeah!
No, Tina, don't trust him. It's just a trick. Those berries are poison. He's probably a pirate.
What?
You pirate, leave!
You guys are mean.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Time to build a home. Cut it out. That's our house. If we're going to make it on this island, we've got no time for play or dancing.
But this is a game, right?
If you want to play games, go find the piglets.
Fine, I will.
Go right ahead. My first night in the wilderness. It seems I shall spend many years here all alone. All by myself, no one here to guide me. What's that? I hear voices. Hello? I'm on my way.
Tony's all by himself. Hey, it's a hippo floating at sea. Hey, over there, swim this way. Over here, Tony.
Come on, we have food.
Come to our super extra fun, undeserted island. It's way more fun to be stranded with all your friends.
And we have food. Raspberries. It's deliciousness.
Why, thank you. And sorry for earlier today. I got carried away.
Don't worry about it. Water under the bridge.
We can all play island. It'll be fun.
You're right, Tina. A deserted island is only fun when all your friends are there too.
Catch a falling star.
Oh, a star has fallen in our village. I had to tell Tony.
Well, now I'm not, obviously.
That's great. A star has fallen right in our village. Let's run over and see it right away.
Tina, stars don't fall, meteorites do, and they burn up in the air. We won't find anything.
Did you make that up because you're sleepy?
No, of course not.
Well, if you're not sleepy, get your stuff together already, Tina's it.
Tony too.
I wonder if it's a big one, and what are we gonna carry it in? Oh, and Tony, where should we hang it? In the park, maybe? Or maybe we should share it. Give everyone a little bit. Tony, are you still packing?
This is a serious expedition, Tina. We'll need spare batteries.
Well, then I guess someone else will find our star. While Tony's rummaging around, I'll run and fetch the star, then come back. Just in case it really is hot.
Now we've got enough batteries to last us a while. Tina? Tina!
Star! There you are! Oh, Piglet, it's you. What are you doing sitting outside?
That's a very good question. No laughing at night. But snoring, well, that's another thing altogether.
So I'm on an important mission. I'm off to catch a star. But now I don't know where to look.
Oh no, don't you stop here! No, I'm talking to my headlamp.
There it is! My star! Okay, Piglet, see ya!
You said you were going to catch a star?
Yep, just think. Soon I'll have the biggest flashlight in the world.
Then you won't need that silly little one.
The flashlight? Sure, here you go. Where are you going, Star? Oh, so which of you is my star? Huh? These aren't stars. They're fireflies. Fireflies, stop! I won't be able to see anything at all without you. Oh, my star! I found you at last!
Star? I'm no star. I'm just an ordinary hippo.
Tony?
Tina, where have you been? I looked everywhere for you.
I was looking for the star, but I can't find it.
Most meteorites burn out in the atmosphere, although sometimes they do actually make it to Earth, but they don't shine and look just like ordinary rock. Tina, where do you find that rock?
Oh, over in the park somewhere.
Tina, it's a real-life meteorite.
So this is my star, but it doesn't even shine. How boring is that?
Tina, come on. This is proof that if you don't give up, you can find a star.